So it's gonna be my first video, my first roadside assistance video. I don't know how good this camera is picking up. It's a GoPro 9 and we'll see how it records. Alrighty, so we're just gonna turn our towing lights on. Let's see what happens. No worries, no worries. And a quick question, is it okay if I record the process of everything here?
Yeah, for sure.
No worries, alrighty. And this is for safety reasons too.
Yeah.
So the tire's in here, and then what tire is damaged?
It's the front right one.
Front right one?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, is it possible just to maybe drive a little bit that way so I can have some space here?
A little bit to the left?
A little bit to the left, yes. She doesn't mind me recording. Alrighty, and you have the spare tire in here? Okay, perfect.
Thank you so much.
No worries, no worries. Oh, we'll just close it already. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bring out my tools. Alrighty, let's see. Make sure it doesn't have a wheel lock. So we're just gonna get my tools. We're gonna lock my doors. I'm gonna bring my jack over. Pants are falling, man. I'm losing weight. This job has me working. No more going to the gym. This is the gym. Let me just put my my gloves on. Hopefully you guys don't hear me breathing because I'm out of shape. You've been out here waiting for a while? Just a little. No worries. I was heading out of here too. I was going back towards the San Francisco Bridge. Yeah. Going towards like Oakland area. So you caught you before then. Yeah, I think I was on the last exit before getting on the bridge.
Lucky.
Yeah, and then somebody else called me right now. I gotta go after this. Pretty busy night tonight.
Yeah. This tire's pretty old, right?
Normally they have the year on the side. 2015 tire. Yeah, this is my first time recording. My friends and family want to see the process of this. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna record.
Honestly, I probably should have learned how to change a tire, but I can't.
You can, anybody can. Just learning and watching videos, having the right tools. You live in this area or?
I live in like Milpitas area.
Milpitas. Oh wow, it's a drive from here.
Yeah.
Good thing you have a spare. Most people don't have spares on.
Oh really?
Yeah, like the one I'm about to go help out right now, they don't have a spare.
What do you do if they don't have a spare? Do you have one in your car?
No, I offer towing services too. I use my personal towing company.
So you just have to tow them?
Yeah, I charge a lot though for that. Just it's getting. Alrighty. Alrighty, got that out. Perfect. Let me just get my torque wrench. I'm gonna lay down. Gotta get comfortable. There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, that's good right there. Alrighty. And then we're just gonna put air in it because I know these might be low in there. Normally 90% of the time they are. These are supposed to be at 60. I'm breathing so hard. I hope the camera's not recording that. Supposed to be at 60 and these are at 27.5. So we're gonna fill it up to 60 and then it will auto shut off. So
Yeah.
we'll just wait for that and I'll start putting my tools away. Okay. You're welcome. Okay. It's gonna be tap to pay on there. Perfect. And do you want the receipt to your text message?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay. And I'll put the spare back.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see if it even fits.
You can just put it on top of that.
That's fine?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Perfect. Oops.
Thanks so much for sharing.
You're welcome. You have a safe drive back home.
No, for sure. You too.
Thank you. Have a good night. And that's how we do it. Quick, easy money. Now I gotta head to another car right now.